Hello everyone. This is in continuation to solving model question paper set 1 of CMA Foundation, June 2025 for business mathematics and statistics. This is part 4, question number 22. Which of the following could be classified as a discrete variable? So discrete variable means it will take countable integer values. So if we look into B, C, D, these are all can take any decimal values also except for the first one. So the answer is A, number of children in the family. Let me move on to the next question. Which of the following would not be an example of temporal classification? Temporal classification involves organizing data on time periods or chronological order. It focuses on when something occurred or how data changes over time. So in all this, if we go through only that C, sales data categorized by product type, is not an example of temporal classification because it is categorization is being done based on product type, not based on time period. So answer is C. Let me move on to the next 24th question. X bar of 20 terms was found to be 35, but afterwards it was deducted that two terms 42 and 34 were misread as 46 and 39 respectively. Find the correct X bar. So whatever X bar which is being given, that is a wrong X bar. That is given as 35. X bar formula is summation x by n. Since it is wrong, so it will be wrong sum x by n. N is given as 20. So which means our wrong summation of x is 700. Now here if we note, they say 42 and 34 were misread as 46 and 39, which means correct observations, COs, correct observations are what do you call 42 and 34. And the wrong observations are 46 and 39. So in order to find out correct summation of x, which will lead to finding correct x bar, we will be using wrong summation of x minus sum of the wrong observations plus sum of correct observations. So that means 700 minus of 46 plus 39 plus 42 plus 34. So if we calculate this, we will get 691. Therefore, we can say correct X bar is correct summation of x by number of observations. Here it is 691 divided by 20. That will give us 34.55. Means our option is A. A is the right option. Let us move on to the next question. The mean of two numbers is 20 and their standard deviation is 5. What are the two numbers? So we will say, let the numbers be A and B. So here given mean means A plus B divided by 2, normal simple average is 20. So which means we can say A plus B is 40, or we can express B in terms of A as 40 minus A. Now they give a standard deviation. So sigma is given as 5, which means sigma square is 25. And sigma square formula is summation of x square divided by n minus x bar, the square. Here summation of x square means it is a square plus b square. There are only two observations. Minus x bar is 20 square. So now we can rewrite this as 25 and bring that 20 square is 400. Negative 400, if I bring it to left hand side, it becomes positive 400 is equal to a square plus b square means it is 40 minus a the square divided by 2. So now adding these two and then cross multiply, you get 425 into 2, which is 850 is equal to a square plus this is like a minus b the whole square, which is a square. So 40 square is 1600. Let me write directly. 1600 plus a square minus 2ab means 2 into 40, 80 times a. So we get now 850 is equal to 2a square minus 80a plus 1600, which is 2a square minus 80a plus 1600 minus 850 equal to 0. That is 2a square minus 80a plus 750 equal to 0. All we can divide both sides by 2 to get a square minus 40a plus 375 equal to 0. We can now split this negative 40 as negative 25, negative 15. So we can write minus 25 minus 15, minus 25a minus 15a plus 375 equal to 0. First two terms common is a minus 25. Next two terms common is negative 15, a minus 25 equal to 0. Now common in these two terms is a minus 25 and then a minus 15 equal to 0, which means a is 25, 15. That means b is 40 minus 25, which is 15, or 40 minus 15, which is 25. So which means our numbers are, therefore, the numbers are 25, 15, which means our option is B. Okay, next one. In a moderately skewed frequency distribution, the mean is 30. The median is 20. So X bar or mean is given as 30. Median is given as 20. And then CV is given as 70%, which is 0.7. CV is sigma divided by X bar. So we can rewrite this as 0.7 equal to sigma divided by X bar is 30. So that means our sigma will be cross multiplying these two, we get 21. Now we need to find out coefficient of skewness. Coefficient of skewness when mean and median are known is 3 times mean minus median divided by sigma. That is 3 times 30 minus 20 divided by 21. That becomes 10 by 7. 10 by 7 we get 1.43. That is our option D. Further problems we will do, problems or questions we will do in our next video.